Welcome back, Doodlers. Today I will show you how to make a hand-drawn repeating pattern. This sample I made earlier, of daisies. Let's see how the pattern repeats on this paper. Folding the paper here, you can see that the design is continuous. Also folding it along the other side. Doing this, you can have a traditional drawing repeating pattern. If you want a quick personalized gift wrap. Also, you can scan your drawing on a computer and enlarge it to print on larger sheets of paper or cloth for that handmade feel. Let's start. To make the hand-drawn repeating pattern, we'll need a piece of paper. You can use any kind of paper that is easily foldable. What I have here is an ordinary printer paper. First, we'll draw guidelines on where to place the designs on the paper. We'll draw a bunch of roses and leaves, here and there. Now we have 6 roses to be circles. Then fold the two sides of the paper. It doesn't have to be centered, but the ends should meet. Having equal folds here is okay, as long as the ends meet. Now we'll draw the items passing through the two sides. Let's say, the flower here. The drawing is kind of sliced. The two sides will have a part of the drawing, so that if you line your pattern side by side, the drawing will continue. We'll fold it on the other side. And it's okay if the fold is uneven, as long as the two ends meet. This time we'll draw the items that will repeat when the pattern is laid vertically. Repeat folding and drawing if you wanted to add more designs. My tip for you is to be careful if you have a drawing near the edge here. This item will be split into 4 instead of the previous 2. You also have to align it on the other side too. Make sure to double check this because it will repeat at all corners. Unlike the ones that are only sliced into 2. They will only repeat horizontally or vertically. But the corner drawings will repeat both horizontally and vertically. Remember to check and double check the corner drawings. Now we'll start drawing our flowers using our V390 rose pink by coloring the whole roses first. You can make elaborate designs, but this tutorial is focused on the process of making repeating patterns.
Let your friends know you enjoyed watching by sharing this video.
The ones that are sliced, that are on the repeating side, we'll fold it along the where we did earlier. Take note that if you are using a thin paper like what I used here, put a folder sheet of paper inside, so your ink colors won't bleed through the design in the middle. Now we can color the sliced ones. And also be careful of your marker or any coloring medium of choice dragging the edge of the paper, so it won't have folds or tear on the edges. Now the flower at the corner that will repeat at all sides. Let's draw it on this side first, then fold it the other way and draw the other part. Make sure that your lines are continuous. Still, I am using RV390. Remember checking and double checking the drawing on the other side. If it still matches as you draw more details on it, draw on one side. Then check on the other side. I suggest that if you can't avoid having a part of your drawing at the corner, try to make it simpler so it's easier to check and align. After that, we'll erase the pencil line. And we'll add some detail. Use RV610 Vivid Pink to add some details to the roses.
I also have an Instagram account. Follow me at Doodles_flowers.
G47 to Vivid Green for the leaves. With G47 1 mint green, add more color to the leaves. A white gel pen for the additional shine for the flowers.
If you have any comments or suggestions, please leave a message in the comment section below.
With a gold marker we add some dots to the spaces between the roses. So, we have here our pink rose repeating pattern. Let's fold it again to see the repeating designs. And as I said earlier, we can scan and print more of this design to align them. As a gift wrap or edit it into a one big sheet of pattern for something else you might need. Here side by side is our rose and daisy repeating patterns. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.
If you like this video, please click the like button, and I'd really appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button. To keep you updated, ring the notification bell.